Modern era of banking and other financial institutions, the mainframe computing and the cloud computing are the basics. They play a very central role to the day-to-day operations. Mainframe computer is simply the computer, the foundation of modern business, which help in modernization and process huge amount of data. While cloud computing is kind of a storage, which helps the banking and other financial institutions to save their data not on the physical hardware but rather on the network servers and it is also known as the networking storage. Let's talk about some of the services, the business services that are offered by the banking institution. Some of them are the online banking, private banking, and ATM services. Online banking is simply the banking that is done through online transactions and via the online accounts. It is administered by the bank that permits the account holders to get their record information on the web. With this kind of services, they are able to access their data anytime, anywhere, whether it is day or it is night. Rather than acquiring their data on the physical hardware, they can access the data on the internet. Whereas the private banking simply means securing the data to access for the users only. Talking about the services that is offered by the bank, let's talk about the ICT batch workload that has been used by the bank. There are basically three types of batch workload. Three types of ICT workload, that is batch workload, transactional workload, and analytical workload. Batch workload is were designed to operate in the background, and it usually helps the bank for making the transactions, processing the transactions like the international money transfers or any other transaction, as well as billing. While in the transactional workload, it helps the bank to create the transactional processes such as billing and order processing of the clients. The analytic workloads, the organization or the bank may use analytic services that is provided by the cloud environment to manage the vast amount of data across the complex hybrid environment. It usually helps the bank to manage the extreme data volume and complex computation. One of the biggest reasons banks are moving to the cloud is that it gives them more control. They are able to audit, process information, and it also helps to provide security and help to maintain the confidentiality of the data. And finally, cloud computing provides a better solution for the data classification. The cloud also offers the bank improved security controls. Data encryption is easily controlled, whether it is being stored or in the process of getting collected. The clouds also has many other advantages, which are computing has become one-stop solution for all the problems that related to the kind of information. In case of banking, it helps in storing the data, managing the data, processing the data, making it confidential and secure in the cloud pool. The mainframe computing. The mainframe also continues to be one of the favorite, especially in the banking sectors. Major banks and financial institutions have the mainframes at the center of the technological strategies, because the mainframe computing is kind of reliable. It is available all the time. It is secure. It is resilient. So it has been one of the favorite kind of banking resources for all the banks. Power, reliability, and the proven performance are the clear pros of the mainframe computing. In addition to that, security, the number one concern to the consumers, financial service companies, the mainframe computing provides them all. Mainframe providers need to define new commercial models and different pricing structure to improve their financial pictures in front of the banking and any other financial institutions. That's why they have been all-time favorite to all the banking sectors till now. Thank you.